everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this short video today I bring you some swatches from my newest AIMEILI gel polishes. They came in on different days, so if you might see a consistency on the colors as I am applying them on the wheel. But this one, the very first one that I tried was a beautiful glittery, and then this other one is just a creamy baby blue, very pretty baby blue. I do like that shade. Then the next one that I have coming up, 011, is just white, another creamy white, and I do like the formula on this white. It goes on just like any other color. I also received this 083 is more of a topper, and I tried it over black, and I also went ahead and put it over the white so you guys can see what it will look like. It's gorgeous. I couldn't help but to put this one right away on my nails along with the very first one as well, number 16, and this one 030 I received just as I was doing my first editing of this video. It's a blue, gorgeous, but it's super dark on the second coat. Another cream color. So here are the second coats. On the white one, I had already applied a second coat when you see me apply the 083, the topper over it here. So this is the second coat on the white. And I did cure, this is after I had cured it. I cured each layer 30 seconds on my 48 watt LED lamp. And this is that gorgeous navy blue, beautiful, beautiful shade. And so here they all are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.